I wish I would have got that on video. Some people saying hi. Yeah. And I keep running into Indian people at these nature places. That's cool. Capone sure enjoyed last time. I met a bunch of random people at one of these places. He loved the attention. Road closed. Which I usually like to get off the beaten path, but whenever it has a big DNR thing on the front of it, I try to stay to their paths, you know? Yeah. That's cool. Maybe just can't take this path. Maybe it just walks around. I think that's all that is. Because it's slippery. Or at least I like the way my logic sounds, right? Sounds good in theory. I like that. That's cool. Yeah, I'm servicing it. Making sure there's no trash cans, beer cans. Looks like some beavers were down there at one point. It's cool.